Welcome back, everyone, on the second day of the Global Plasma Summit. Yesterday, we spoke about the importance of plasma and plasma-derived therapies and the impact the coronavirus had on all of us. But more critical is that patients reliant on PDMPs are all living in challenges and extraordinary times. The global COVID pandemic has impacted each of them and brought unique challenges. We heard yesterday patients talk about safety, access, and continuity of care. We could rather immediately from the start of the pandemic tick the box safety because of the many pathogen inactivation and removal steps our industry includes in the manufacturing of PDMGPs. Our pathogen safety experts could quickly conclude that the SARS-CoV-2 is not a concern for the safety margins of plasma protein therapies manufactured by PBTA members. This assessment is shared by notable international and national public health bodies such as the WHO, the ECDC, FDA, and many others. This is, of course, due to the large investment our industry has made from donor safety to final product safety. Dr. Harvey Alter, who is the recent Nobel Prize winner in medicine, quoted some time ago, "I want to congratulate the industry, PBTA, for making the worst blood product imaginable 20 years ago into the safest blood product we have today." One of the key challenges, however, we faced during the pandemic was, and still is, the plasma collection side. The COVID-19 pandemic has introduced additional pressure on the delicate balance between plasma collection and the availability of finished therapies. Any decline in plasma donation may impact European patients' ability to access their life-saving plasma-derived therapies. Today, we will be looking into those plasma collection challenges during COVID-19 and how our members have been working to mitigate those challenges from the operational and regulatory point of view. With the support of regulators around the world, we were able to increase awareness around the importance of plasma collection. In the US and Europe, plasma collection was recognized as critical and essential activity. That plasma collection is essential was also recognized by EU Commissioner for Health, Stella Kyriakides, in her statement on World Blood Donor Day. Today, she has kindly accepted to provide the opening keynote of our Global Plasma Summit. Stella Kyriakides is a Cypriot psychologist and politician who has been serving at the European Commission for Health and Food Safety since December 2019. In the area of health, she's leading the Commission's work of Europe's Beating Cancer Plan to help improve cancer prevention and care. And she is in charge of developing a new pharmaceutical strategy to ensure that Europe has enough affordable medicines to meet its needs. During the COVID-19 crisis, she has been leading the Commission's work to coordinate the EU's health response and support member states to tackle the outbreak. She is also a cancer survivor, and from 2004 to 2006, she served as president of the European Breast Cancer Coalition, Europa Donna. I'll hand over the word to the honorary Mrs. Kyriakides.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to begin by thanking the Plasma Protein Therapeutics Association for their hard work and for inviting me today and letting me be part of this valuable event. Plasma-derived medicines are a unique therapy that treat distinct medical conditions and have a significant impact on patients and their families every single day. This therapy can make the difference between a life filled with pain and uncertainty and a healthy, fulfilling, everyday life with friends and loved ones. This summit provides an important platform that enables patient advocates, public officials, and industry leaders to discuss, to share their insight, and exchange tips for best practice and expertise. Today, I would like to focus on three important points. First, establishing reliable and safe supply of medicines, which has been a priority since the very first day in my office. Next month, the Commission will publish a pharmaceutical strategy consisting of concrete steps on how to ensure the safety, quality, innovation, access, availability, and affordability of medicines. Stakeholder cooperation will be vital, and I'm counting on your engagement and active support for the successful implementation of this strategy. Second, our recent evaluation of the EU blood legislation highlighted the high dependency on the United States for plasma. Most notably, around 1/3 of EU medicines are manufactured using US plasma. Therefore, there is an urgent need to increase plasma collection across the EU, and this requires cooperation and collaboration between public and private actors, from plasma donors to patients. The Commission and the Council of Europe brought all parties together to lay out a comprehensive set of recommended actions. And I count on your support and commitment in this endeavour. Third, the COVID-19 crisis has placed immense pressure on the plasma donation system. And I took note of PPTA's important recent statement on this very issue. But COVID-19 has also put plasma on the political agenda. We must make the most of this situation and consider it as an opportunity. Antibodies found in plasma of recovered patients provide a promising therapy for hospitalized patients. Initial studies point towards a significant reduction in mortality, but this is not sufficient. It requires more evidence to be collected, and we must strengthen our common understanding of this new therapy. Therefore, the Commission is in support of efforts by national blood services to collect more plasma and gather clinical outcome data. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome the COVID Alliance, which demonstrates the potential of public and private partnerships. Finally, I would like to stress what makes plasma therapies truly unique, and that is their human origin. Millions of donors provide us with these therapies, and this is a wholesome act of solidarity, a gift from citizen to citizen, which is needed even more in times of crisis. It is up to us, authorities, blood services, companies and patients, to make the most of this precious gift. I therefore want to thank each and every donor for their invaluable contributions and encourage each of us to donate. Thank you.